In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Mail Merge in Gmail. Beginner friendly. Mail Merge is a built-in Gmail feature that helps you send the same email to many people while still personalizing it for each recipient. Instead of one generic message, Gmail can automatically insert details like a first name from your contacts or from a spreadsheet, and then send each person their own individual email. To get started, open Gmail and make sure you are in your inbox. Next, click Compose to open a new message. In the Compose window, look near the To field for the Mail Merge option. It is usually shown as an icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. Click that, choose Mail Merge, and turn it on. Once it is enabled, Gmail is ready to use personalized fields in your message. Now you can add the people you want to email. You can type recipients directly, choose people from your contacts, or use a label or group if you have one set up. If your list and personalization details are stored in a Google Sheet, select Add from a spreadsheet and connect the sheet. This is helpful when you have many recipients and multiple columns of information, like first name and last name. Next, write your email like normal. When you are ready to personalize it, click into the body of the message and type the @ symbol. Gmail will show available merge tags such as first name, last name, or full name, depending on what it can pull from your contacts or spreadsheet. Select the tag you want, and Gmail will place it where your cursor is. A simple tip is to place the name near the greeting so the message feels natural and consistent. When everything looks good, review the message carefully. Then click Continue to confirm the Mail Merge setup. Finally, click Send. Gmail will generate and send a separate, customized email to each recipient rather than one big group email. That covers everything you need to know.